So what is meant by recursion? As we all know that this is one great programming feature, and recursion is nothing but a function calling itself directly or indirectly is known as a recursion. So recursion can be used in backtracking and all this stuff. So we will work on this Towers of Hanai program, and we will solve this problem.
Have you ever wondered how the college students become tech leaders like Satya Nadella and Sundar Pichai? This is your chance to listen to the top tech leaders from top companies and understand how the companies work and what are the projects they work on and how do they solve problems on a scale. So, join the show to get deeper understanding about the entire tech ecosystem. In this show, Samjit will interview tech leaders from different companies and ask them about how they work on different projects, about their journey and the team structure in their companies, etc. And you will get a chance to interact live in the show with the tech leaders who are making a difference. So to watch these shows and much more, all you need to do is go to Unacademy website. So Unacademy brings a platform called Career as a Software Developer, where you can watch more shows like Crack Top Brands, tips on technical and interview rounds, how to join big tech brands, improve your coach of profile, interview of top tech leaders and folks who made it big, and architecture breakdown of popular apps, understanding the hiring process. So you can watch all these shows and much more at that platform, and all you need to do is just take the subscription from Unacademy. To know more details about the shows and their timings, you can refer this weekly calendar. So guys, get a subscription from Unacademy and don't forget to use my coupon code TechMyHead where you will get 10% discount.
As we are, the rules for this Towers of Hanoi is you need to send a brick from source to destination. While you are sending a brick from source to destination, you need to use this auxiliary tower. And whenever you are sending a brick from a source to destination or source to auxiliary, the rule is that the largest brick should be in the bottom and the smallest brick should be on top of that large brick. So if let's say I had only one brick and I want to send this from source to destination. How can I send this from source to destination? I can directly send from this source to destination, and the move here used is I am sending the brick from source to destination. Here we are only using one move. Let's say if I want to use, if I am having two bricks, then how can I send these two bricks in the same order? First, what I can do is I can send this small brick to this auxiliary tower, so that I had only one brick remaining in this destination. I cannot send this small brick to destination. If I send this to destination, then small brick will be in the bottom, and if I send this large brick to destination, then the small brick is on top of the large brick is on top of the small brick. This should not happen. So to avoid this case, what we will do is we will send this small brick to this auxiliary tower and we will send this large brick to this destination. So if I send this small brick to the auxiliary is having small brick. If I send this is the first step that we are using. The first step is sending a small brick to the auxiliary tower and sending the large brick to the destination. Okay, now sending large brick from source to destination and sending this small brick to the destination. So the third step is A to D, auxiliary to destination. So from by this we have transferred these two bricks from source to destination using these three rules, using these three moves. Similarly, now I want to do this for 3 bricks. If I want to send these 3 bricks from source to destination using this auxiliary tower, how can I do? If I send this small tower, a small brick to auxiliary, if I send this second smallest brick to the destination, then what it will do? It will be like this, right? The largest brick will be here, second largest brick will be here, smallest will be here. If I send this second smallest to the destination, then we are blocked here. So you should not send the smallest brick to the auxiliary. Instead, what you can do is you can send this smallest to the destination. So what can be the move here is the move can be I can send the smallest to the destination. So the first move is source to destination. The second smallest to the auxiliary thing. So S to A is the second move. The third will be destination to auxiliary, so that I will get the small brick here. So we are done with the first 2 bricks. We had only the third brick. So that what I can do is I can send the third brick to the destination. So S to do is the, I'll say, now we are done with the sending of the largest brick to the destination. So here we are having these two bricks. What I can do is I can send this small brick to auxiliary to source, so that I'm getting this brick to here. I'm only having the second largest brick here. So what I can do is I can send auxiliary to destination and I can send source to destination. So these are the 7 steps. So that what I can do is I can transfer these 3 bricks from source to destination. So here what happening is, if you observe, the middle case here is source to destination, here the middle case is source to destination, here the middle case is source to destination. So let's say if after sending this largest brick to source to destination, here I am left with the 2 things, this the second smallest and the first smallest. So here what we are doing is, here we are following this case. Okay now, so here if this is a function, if f of 3 is a function, here we are calling with f of 2. So function that is calling itself is known as a recursion. So recursion internally follows a data structure called as stack, and while you are writing recursion, you need to follow base case and recursive case. Here the base case is this. The base case is S to D. S to D is the base case, and recursive case is f of 2. This is recursive case. We are calling this thing to this and this thing to this. So we need to have base case and recursive case. This is about recursion.